How to fix Bumble dating app loading problem.
Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First fix is to force quit the app and reopen it. So force close the Bumble app entirely along with all the apps running in the background and relaunch it, as this often resolves minor glitches in the app. Next, you can try to reinstall the app. So go to your home screen and hold on the app and then tap on the remove app option and then on delete app and delete the app and reinstall it from your app store. See if that fixes your issue or not, and if not, then launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, scroll down and navigate to the Bumble app and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the app. And if the issue is still not fixed, then check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, as some networks block parts of Bumble. And if you are using any type of VPN services, then turn it off, as it may interfere while swiping or loading content. The other fix is to log in using another device to see if errors persist. And if it works elsewhere, your phone may be the issue. You can also switch your login method. That is, if you are using phone number, you can try logging in with your Facebook account or some other account. Also, check for server status, as sometimes the server might not be working. And if nothing fixes your issue, then you can try to report Bumble and they will further help you fix the issue. So this is how you can fix Bumble dating app something went wrong error. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries.